Hello, Advent Day 12, here we are, Thursday, about, what is it, 2 weeks to go? When is Christmas? Is it
25th.
Oh yeah, okay, clever Ollies, yeah. So is it still, it's 2 weeks to go. It would have been Christmas yesterday, would it? 2 weeks ago? Oh well, we don't know. But what we do know is you need a cowhide belt to wear on your Christmas morning when you're cooking I won't say sprouts because that's very cliched. You'll be cooking something posh, I don't know what, but yeah. But if you're having something posh, you can invite me. Right, so let's get sensible. Cowhide belts, as always. What I've done is I've had to take my big jumper off so that I can show you it with a thinner, because I've lost weight, but I haven't lost that much weight. What I'm wearing here, folks, is the large, and we do them in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. As you know, I'm a plumpish bird, so but the large does fit me now, and I'm wearing about a size 18 from M&S, I would say. Small, medium, you want the price, £55. I think they're normally 75 down to 55 for Advent. We're doing them in the classic brown splash cowhide with the toning mocha suede on the back. Nice Italian nice Italian buckle and leather keeper. What else do you need to know? I think that's it. 3 sizes, cowhide, brown splash on mocha suede, reduced from, I've forgotten it, I know they're £55, but 70, what did we say it was? Reduced from 79 down to 55 for Advent. And I might draw your attention, because I do think this is rather smart, this gilet. We are offering this gilet. We offered it, I think, at the weekend. And again, I shall have to check my notes. And this one is £275. 3 sizes again, no, 4 sizes, extra small through to large. I'm wearing the large, and yeah, walnut with ivory, double zipper runner. Oh, I needed Jackie to dress me last time. Oh, bugger, I can't get... Oh, mustn't swear. Why can't I do this? There, that's it. There you go, gold star. Right, I am going. Oh, it's cold. It's cold in here. I need to put the heating on, not rely on sheepskin blankets. Right, see you tomorrow. Have a good day.